was covered with vine. Leave 12 little girls, 2 straight lines. Will you read it in? Into bread and brush.
With the bear.
Okay.
Found another bear and
Smile at the hood
found another dress
and frown.
at the bear. Sometimes they are very sad.
They left the house.
I'll read it. I read it.
Okay.
9, 2, 3, 9. Always on time. What's matter? It's never play of mine.
You're going too fast for me.
And what was
Slow.
winter and summer nights? To the tidings, nice. Cuckoo. Oh no,
You
material.
so well.
How to say material.
In the
We don't know material. Like, if something's not right. The little mother I said red. Fly is white and her eye is red.
yes.
To the tongue, but he was out phone. And
Nurse.
nursery said, and pin said, everybody has fly. And another thing like fly.
Adding was in his arm.
Later.
In a blanket safe and warm.
Warm.
Yes, good girl. In a car.
That's not really. Mother like up to us with some flowers
Room full of flowers, yes. Another one.
on her back was
Okay.
great.
There was a bed crank on her bed. And a what?
And the ceiling was like the rabbit.
And that's right, a crack on the ceiling that sometimes looked like a rabbit. Outside.
With Pharaoh. And this is red.
Isn't this a fine
This is the fine. This is for
to visit?
from Madeline. They are all in the bus.
Visitors
The visitors
from 2 to 4.
to the
Read a sign outside her door.
house.
Tiptoeing with solemn face, with some flowers and a vase.
Place.
In they walked and said,
Under her bed was a saw.
yes, what was on a bed?
A saw.
A dollhouse, yes, from Papa.
A dollhouse.
Oh, but on her stomach was a
Dog.
scar, yes,
Saw.
yes.
Good night.
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
they said.
Goodbye. That's
We'll,
it.
we'll come again.
Turn.
And the little girls left in the rain.
Wait. Good night. Like get home. Go David. With the bed.
And what happened? In the middle of the night,
What's happening?
Miss Clavel turned on the light and said,
Something's not right. To run faster and faster. And even faster.
she did run even faster, and she said,
Play children, what's troubling?
yeah, what's troubling you children? And all the little girls cried,
Let us have a panic.
out too, yes.
Good
Good
night,
night.
good night.
Thank the Lord.
Out the light as a consider and that's all that is.
There isn't any more.
This is the mom. End.
The end. Good girl.